$1,000 portfolio challenge, you still have a chance to win the $1 million because it's a 10-week contest and a 2-week final. 20 players will head to the finals, and there are always a couple of ways to get there, but one of them, of course, is being one of the 10 weekly winners by racking up the biggest percentage gain week to week, or you have one of the top 10 overall performing portfolios at the end of the contest, which is May 11th. So here's a look at what the most widely held stocks in the portfolio challenge are this week. A couple of them have been in there all along: CMGI, Revlon, Connextent, Sirius, and Crystalix International. Today's leaders in the overall portfolios: Deborah Taft still remains #1, followed by Parker Robinson, Chris Humphrey, Chad Mazeika, and Ken Gilroy. There's another way to grow your portfolio as well. You can add as much as $3,000 a day to your total by answering our daily trivia questions. Here they are. #1, movie attendance has increased by how much so far this year? 4%, 6%, 10%, or 15%? The second question: First Data is being acquired by KKR, but has how many days to accept another offer? 60 days, 30 days, 50 days, or 90 days? You can go to CNBC.com not only to register for the contest, but also to find the answers to the trivia questions and read the $1 Million Buzz blog. There's a lot of interesting stuff there, and it also will show you a look at how our weekly winners got there, and of course, the latest on our Trading with the Stars Celebrity Portfolio Contest. Stephen Collins still is in #1, but he's doing a great job. Speaking of the .com Portfolio Challenge, we now have our 4th weekly winner, and he joins us. John Tepichin is a sophomore at Southern Methodist University, and he joins us from Dallas to talk about his winning strategy. Congratulations. Pleasure to have you here.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It's great to be here.
Now, I also understand that you are a day trader, that you like to trade the market, which is in contrast to a couple of our other winners.
Yes, I love to trade. I've been trading for about a year now and gotten really into it.
All right. How did you approach this particular contest, John? Because it is a little different than trading. Even though you are a day trader, it's a little bit of a different approach in this particular contest.
Yes, it's very, very different. The approach I took generally was I picked BSTE, Bioside Incorporated, as my first stock. It had a high beta, low market cap, and they were buying back shares and had a new cycle of products, and it looked like a takeover target. And sure enough, it got taken over on Monday. So I think the trick is you have to pick volatile stocks, high beta, and preferably lower market cap if you really want to get ahead, because those are the ones that typically move the most.
Yeah, you
in
also,
a short period of time. This
was a particular takeover play, perhaps, but your other stock was a short squeeze candidate too, correct?
Right. New York Stock Exchange Group had over a 20% short interest, and I knew it'd start going up because, as you know, they're merging with Euronext, and I knew that the merger arbitrage would subside because the first tender offer ended, I guess, two Tuesdays ago, and that let the pressure off and let the stock run up a bit. And the merger closes on Wednesday, and I think Wednesday we are going to see a short squeeze, and we could definitely see par by the end of this week in NYX. So I love that stock for last week, and that's definitely a Cramer favorite, and he's taught me a lot about that through his Action Alert Plus Charitable Trust portfolio and through his show.
Yeah, so I understand it's also one of your favorite shows.
Oh yes, it's my absolute favorite show. I watch it. I watch it so much, sometimes even more than once a day or a night. So I read all his blogs. So he truly is a genius.
Well, I'm sure is listening right now and very happy to hear it. Now you
Yeah,
say that
thank you, Cramer.
If you win the $1 million, what are you going to do with it?
I'll give some to the church or charity, and I'll definitely buy my mom a present because she's always believed in me, and the rest I'll put into my trading account to continue to grow.
Well, I'll tell you what, if you win the $1 million, go shopping for. I'll go along. We'll go shopping for Mom. Anything she'd like in particular?
She loves jewelry, so
perfect, right up my alley.
All right, you could definitely help me out.
Have you ever been to Tiffany?
Yes, I have.
Perfect. We're made for each other, John.
It's a good stock as well.
There you go. Thanks, John. Good luck.
All right, thank you so much.
We wish you the best of luck. Hopefully you'll